Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a company in a database in AvanTax eForms. To create a new company, first click Company in the toolbar and then select New Company. A window should now appear asking you for a name for the company. Enter a name in the text box. Once you have entered a name, click OK. After you click OK, the Company Setup window will appear. Enter the company's information, including the CRA and Revenue Quebec account numbers for the relevant slips. The Company Setup menu also includes a page for adjustment options and advanced options.